Hey everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about our job opportunity. But before moving further with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar for future updates and placement preparation related videos, and also share it with your friends and family, whoever can get help from this and whoever are the students. So this will definitely gonna help them. So please do like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Jobker. So with that note, let's quickly move further with the video. एंड आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं एक जॉब हायरिंग के बारे में है जो कि है गूगल की तरफ से, एंड दे आर हायरिंग फॉर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, एंड दिस इज़ फॉर द यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम 2023 बैच. सो ये हायरिंग जो है बेसिकली 2023 बैच के लिए है. एंड by applying to this opportunity, you will have an opportunity to share your preferred working location from the following: Bangalore, Karnataka, and Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay. So basically, from Bangalore or Hyderabad, you will have to choose one location to work. Like अगर आप इसमें select हो जाते हैं तो आपको बैंगलोर या हैदराबाद कौन सा location choose करना चाहते हैं. Now come to the minimum qualification. So the candidate should have bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience. अगर आपके पास बैचलर्स डिग्री है, कौन सी डिग्री है इन्होंने इसका जिक्र नहीं करा हुआ है. तो if you are a graduate, like if you have bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience, then you can apply for this job. Now experience working with Unix, Linux, Windows, and macOS environments, and distributed system, machine learning, information retrieval, and TCP/IP. So basically, these all are related to CS and IT branches, basically computer science and IT, and maybe some of these things are related to electronics also. So if you have if you have idea about all these things, like they are asking for experience, but if you know all the things, like if you have studied in your graduation or in your college, then you can apply for this job. If you should have idea about all these things. Okay, now experience programming in C++, Java or Python. So आपके पास इन चारों में से कोई एक लैंग्वेज का एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए. सो यू should have idea about any of these programming language. You should have you should know the language. Okay, now preferred qualification will be a master's degree. So बेसिकली जो ये जॉब है वो है बैचलर्स डिग्री के लिए, पर अगर आपने मास्टर डिग्री कर रखा है देन दिस विल बी एन एड ऑन टू योर प्रोफाइल. ओके, नाउ about this job. So this is about Google, so you can go through all these things. I will provide this link in the description box, so you can check out all these about the job, so you will get to know idea about it. We will quickly move further with the responsibilities. So research, conceive and develop software applications to extend and improve on Google's product offering. So you will be developing software applications. Okay, now contribute to a wide variety of projects utilizing natural language processing and artificial intelligence, data compression, machine learning and research technology. So अगर आप सेलेक्ट हो जाते हैं इसमें तो आपको नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट एंड डेटा कंप्रेशन, मशीन लर्निंग, इन सब चीज़ों का यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. सो आपको इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में आइडिया होना चाहिए. नाउ collaborate on scalability issues and involving access to data and information, and solve challenges problem that you are presented with. Okay, so basically these all are the responsibilities they want to handle by the candidate if you get selected. So if you are eligible for this job, then do apply for this job. Basically this is for 2023 hiring. Actually they have not given the batch criteria here in the minimum qualification. So this is you can apply if you have bachelor's degree. Actually I'm not sure whether it is for 2023 or it is for all the batches, but you can try to apply. I will confirm once I will get the idea about it. Okay, till then you can try to apply, and 2023 batch you can definitely apply for this job. So this is all about today's job update. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for more updates, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Jobker, and share it with your friends and family. And yeah, I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.